Have you ever wondered how to create a website using Python, enhanced with the power of artificial intelligence? The world of web development has truly evolved. And today, we'll journey through the process of creating an AI-powered website using Python. Our first step is setting up the environment. As any seasoned web developer knows, the foundation is crucial. We'll start by installing Python and Django, a Python-based framework that simplifies the process of web development. Now remember to set up a virtual environment to keep your work isolated and avoid any potential conflicts between different software packages. The second step is creating the Django project. Once the virtual environment is set up, the Django project can be initiated with a simple command. This will create a new directory with all the basic files needed for your website. After we've got our Django project, the third step is to create an app within the project. This app will be the heart of our AI-powered website. Django allows us to create multiple apps within a single project, making it easy to manage complex websites with various functionalities. Now that we have our app, the fourth step is designing the models. Models in Django are like blueprints. They define how the data will be stored in the database. For an AI-powered website, we might need models to store user data, AI predictions, and more. Step 5 is creating views. Views in Django determine what content is displayed and how it's presented. Here we can integrate our AI model. For instance, if we're using a chatbot, the views will control how the chatbot's responses are displayed on the website. The sixth step is URL mapping. This is where we connect each view to a specific URL. So when a user visits a particular URL, the corresponding view is loaded. Our seventh step involves working with templates. Django uses a template system to generate dynamic HTML pages. These templates can include placeholders for data that will be filled in when the page is loaded. Step 8 is integrating the AI model. Python is a popular language for AI and machine learning, and there are many libraries available, such as TensorFlow and PyTorch. We can train an AI model using these libraries and then integrate it into our Django app. Finally, the last step, testing and deployment. Testing is crucial to ensure that everything works as expected. Django comes with a built-in test framework that makes this process easier. Once everything is tested and working, the website can be deployed to a server. To recap, we've explored the process of creating an AI-powered website with Python and Django. We started by setting up our environment, then created a Django project and an app within it. We've designed models, created views, mapped URLs, worked with templates, integrated an AI model, and finally tested and deployed our website. The power of Python combined with AI opens up a world of possibilities in web development. It's a journey of constant learning and tinkering, but the end result is a dynamic, interactive, and intelligent website that can engage users in ways that were previously unimaginable. So, why not start your journey today?